Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
You're going to be surprised, you're going to laugh, you're going to cry, you're going to giggle. You get jealous and you get insecure too. I mean, I'm going to be very honest. I think Mimi is going to do that for me. ये earn करना सबसे मुश्किल चीज है, I feel, and you get to learn so much.
Does that act as a burden so that the next has to be better? So, I mean, I don't know how to put this, but when we watched you rather, in Mimi, the trailer of Mimi, we were like, okay, is that her? Is that Saida Amankar? No, that's not. That could not possibly be Saida Amankar. No, that's Saida Amankar. No, how could that be unglamorized avatar of her? No, she cannot be. Oh, that's Sai. That's Sai. That is Sai. Oh yeah, she's Sai. असं reaction होता. We have had this conversation in Marathi for Samantar, but now this is pan India, and I'm glad this is pan India. Of course, you must be glad too that this is pan India, Bollywood. So, Saida Amankar, thanks a lot for joining us first of all on Latestly. This
Pleasure.
Latestly English, and you are on a roll, Saida Amankar, are you not?
Wow, thank you for saying that. It surely does boost my confidence. And I'm glad what you saw, you liked it.
Yeah, and of course, I mean, joining forces, collaborating with forces such as Pankaj Tripathi. Kriti is more of a glam doll, but even here she is unglamorous. You are this quintessential desi kind of force that we see, who's right alongside her, and Pankaj sir. So ये सब जुड़कर आना, ये सब होना, कैसे आंकते हैं आप, कैसे देखते हैं इस पूरे इक्वेशन?
I think बहुत किस्मत की बात है, because when you have your bucket list and you get to work with actors who are on your bucket list, I think I couldn't have asked for more. And I am, let me just point this out to you that after this film, Kriti is not going to remain a glam doll, because everybody is going to be mesmerized by performance.
Yeah.
I think after a very long time, we're going to see Kriti like this. So yeah, it's a wonderful package. It's a stellar cast, and I cannot be more happy, grateful for being, a big part of this stellar.
I'm really glad that you brought this up. The reason being, you for a very long time, even you have been, boxed into a particular category, which is bold and beautiful, bold more than beautiful, or daring more than beautiful. Fortunately so, unfortunately so. And then Kriti also, as you said, glam doll in that particular zone. I mean, you have broken it in multiple ways, and you have always, as you said, you are still striving to break that image. And now Kriti is doing it. So does that resonate? Did you have discussion on this front that path breaking is something that you want to do as performers, both of you?
I think everybody wants to, break their own sort of boxes, come out of the four walls, the expected, or what do you say?
Cliche
Agreed,
boundaries.
or typical four walls. Yeah. I think everybody once in a एक टाइम ऐसा आता है कि हर एक एक्टर को खुद का ही वो सब मिटा के आगे जाना होता है. And I think that phase has, it's an ongoing process. It does not end with one project or two projects. You have to continuously work on yourself. You have to continuously prove yourself. And I think this is a very big part of being an actor.
Right. Pankaj sir, what do you want to say about this gem of a performer, the gem of an actor who's emerging as a solid force? I mean, what is it that, as a performer, what do you walk away with at the end of the day?
You get jealous and you get insecure, dude. I mean, I'm going to be very honest, because he is unimaginably natural, quirky, intelligent, witty at the same time. I mean, it's a lethal combination. He's a very interesting person also. So you continuously want to know him more, you want to hear him talk, you want to know how he is, what he thinks about certain things, and it just sort of builds up the level of curiosity. uh, some same happened with me, and I'm going to cherish this experience, I think, forever.
Okay. And the little twitch of eyebrows, a little twist in the neck, he conveys so much more by doing so little. And come on, you are a versatile performer yourself. So what is it? One particular quality that okay, do little and achieve more kind of thing.
I don't know. See, everybody has a different method. What when we see Pankaj ji on screen, मतलब अभी एक ऐसा बन गया पंकज जी है ना तो कुछ धमाल ही होगा. You know, he has earned that as an actor, and you know, I really look up to him when it, you know, ये earn करना सबसे मुश्किल चीज है, I feel, and you get to learn so much.
True, true. And of course, I mean, the subject itself, though it sounds very funny, I mean, the script looks and the screenplay also looks funny. The trailer was funny. But there is this deep, hidden, meaningful message underneath that. Be it surrogacy, be it certain qualities associated with women, and they're confined to those boundaries. Your film is saying so much more, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is. I think that's a very good point that you brought up. What you see in the trailer is just the tip of the iceberg, I feel. There are so many things in the film that you're going to be surprised, you're going to laugh, you're going to cry, you're going to giggle, everything. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful package. And Lakshman sir's point of view towards looking at this particular subject is very damn interesting. It's you know, it is an intense topic, but the perspective is so interesting that
True.
you want to explore all kind of situations, and you know, we are offering all kinds of situations.
Right. Be it communal tone, so to speak, that certain qualities are associated with certain community, breaking that as well. The color norms, the color skin, the tone of your skin, breaking that as well. So multiple barriers. I mean, we are stretching here. The envelope is being pushed, so to speak.
Yes.
What is it like? I mean, you're known for your performances. You're known for being natural, organic on the screen. You're lauded for your performances in Marathi movies. What does it take to be able to sync with Bollywood, so to speak, and be there as a force so that people notice you in both the industries with equal respect?
I think this film is a very good opportunity for me because you need to be a part of a project which is going to appeal to mass, class, niche, everybody. You know, and Maddock is a big production house. I think to be associated with a huge production house, you know, it automatically helps you to sort of stamp, you know, your existence, or for people to notice you. I think Mimi is going to do that for me. I mean, at least I think so. And I hope every time I have come on screen through Bollywood, people have appreciated me. So I am really looking forward to, you know, Shama also, and how they like her and what they think about her.
When you work in a Bollywood project, are the dynamics different? If yes, how?
I think monetarily the dynamics are different. Otherwise, everything is the same. There are people hardworking there also. People work very hard here also. Commitment, the level of passion, everything is the same. But I think budgets are different.
They differ.
Reach is different. You're watched pan India, all over India, all over the country. Yeah, I think that's the only difference.
My last question. I do not have to speak much because I don't want to talk much because your work itself is talking a lot these days. Tell me, after Samantar, that web series which was appreciated in Maharashtra all over by Marathi audience all over the world because it's a web series, so everybody gets exposed to that. And now you're working in this Mimi. what more? Does that act as a burden when you get excellent projects like these, which are so heavy on content? Does that act as a burden so that the next has to be better?
Unconsciously, yes. But sometimes things are just not in your hands. So your job is to work, give your 100% and move on. And that's what I have been doing. But yes, I think this burden sort of motivates you to be on your toes constantly, which is very important for our field, for any actor, I feel. And I'm very happy to share that after this, you're going to watch me in a Tamil short film.
Wow.
Navarasa, have you heard about Navarasa on Netflix?
No.
Produced by Mani Ratnam.
Oh wow! Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's a 9-film
Yes.
anthology.
Correct,
So yeah,
correct,
you're going to watch me in that, and I'm just super happy that these 3 months was so action packed. I got to work in Marathi, Hindi, and now Tamil. So I'm very happy.
As you said, Navarasa, and you are exploring every rus possible, and we love to see you that way. Sarita Mandkar, thank you so much for your lovely words, as always.
Thank you.
The name of this film could be short, maybe, but the message is deep and it is wide. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Lovely talking to you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.